Hi, I'm Keith Sorem with Keller Williams, and this is the real estate market update for the month of November 2008 for La Canada Flintridge, California. La Canada has been a very, very interesting market, and it's suffered some more ups and downs than perhaps other markets have. For those of you that are thinking of buying a home, I've got good news for you. This may be the time. The overall market index is a tool I use to evaluate the activity in a market. The market index above 1.2 is a seller's market. Between 1.2 and 0.8 is a neutral market. Below 0.8 is a buyer's market. We've been in a buyer's market for about 4 years now. The index dropped big time, 16 points a month ago. This month it dropped 1 point. So if I show you this diagram here, you can see up here where it went up and it dropped. Some markets tend to be more volatile. Also, as the sales mix changes, they can appear to be more volatile. But I think La Canada got hit pretty hard. There were 16 new listings on the market during the month of November. That's down from 25 last month. And oddly enough, it's less than it was a year ago when they had 18 new listings come on the market. Generally speaking, this time of year, business will slow down because people don't have their homes on during the holidays, which I don't understand why, because that's a great time to sell a home. Pending listings. Only 4 listings opened escrow. That's the same as last month, 4 listings. Last year, 3 listings entered pending status. And that was 2 months after the mortgage meltdown. So if you think of the mortgage meltdown as sort of being one of the defining moments, and that was actually would be last August, some of the markets, and La Canada is one of them, have actually regressed almost to that point. Now it's interesting, the listing inventory, 87 listings on the market. Now, this is the important thing about your pending sales. The pending sales I track are the listings that go pending in the month. We had 4 last year, 4 this month, 4 last month. So that means those listings are going to become solds in the next month or two. Your listing inventory, 87 listings on the market right now compared to 89 last month and 74 last year. So we're actually seeing, contrary to some of the other markets I track, an increase in inventory. So if the inventory goes up and the sales go down, what happens to price? That's right, price is going to shift. Now, we sold 10 listings last month. That's compared to 11 the month before and only 10 last year. So we're seeing more inventory, lower sales, lower pending. Sure enough, the average sales price, $1,231,500, is 12.5% from last year. However, what's interesting is when you have that few sales, 10 sales or 11 sales, the market mix, the number of big homes compared to the number of small homes that sell, can affect those averages and also affect your average price per square foot. In this particular case, when more small homes sell, generally the average price will shift up, and so will the average price per square foot. Price per square foot was $511.85, which is roughly the same as last month, which was $507, which was 10.3% below last year. So with an overall increase in living area of 255 square feet, you would have thought the average price per square foot would have gone down. It didn't. What we saw was a small actual increase in the average sale price, and we also saw a flat, no change in the average sale price per square foot. Here is the average sale price. Here's the average price per square foot. In some of the other markets I monitor, I think there's a really good possibility that September may have been the bottom of the market. La Canada is a little bit harder to track because it's been a little bit more erratic. But interest rates this past week took a big drop. So if you're thinking of buying, now might be the time, because you've got more inventory, prices are still low, and if you are the kind of person that wants to time the market and buy at the best time, this could be it. You probably will have questions, and if you'd like a copy of this report, I'll be happy to send it to you. You can call me at 1-888-284-2056, or you're welcome to visit me online, Keith@LaQuasantaValleyHomes.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Merry Christmas to everybody.